ensure you've recharged your account, head over to the profile page and click on Telegram. This will redirect you to our support bot. Simply send your account email to receive Eternity Panther in your account. Once you've successfully obtained Eternity Panther, return to the home page. Here, click on Quantitative. Choose your preferred trading cycle, and on the following page, select the bot. Enter the desired amount and click Submit to initiate your trade. Now, on the working page, you'll find a comprehensive overview of your active trade. Here, you can monitor your trading progress, observe real-time data, and make informed decisions. It's your control center for a successful trading journey with Eternity. By following these simple steps, you've taken the first step into the exciting world of Eternity trade. As you continue your trading adventures, remember that we're here to support you every step of